In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the reverse light bulb on your 2013 to 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe. It's a very easy process. It only takes 2 minutes, and the best part is we don't need any tools. So let's go ahead and get started. Now that is the reverse light right there. In order to access the bulb, we have to open up the hatch. So now that's the light there, and the way to access the bulb is from behind over there, and that's the access port cover, right? In order to get the cover off, we need to get the regular key or your key fob. Press the button on the key fob there, get the physical key out. Now let's use the key and pry the cover out. So just pry it there and the cover comes right out. Make sure you don't lose the cover. Now those are the two light bulbs over there, the tail light bulb and the reverse light bulb. Today we'll just focus on the reverse light bulb. That's the one right there, the white bulb holder. Grab the bulb holder and twist it left like 1/8 of a turn, and the bulb holder comes right out. Now once the bulb holder is out, all you have to do is just grab the bulb and pull it out. If it doesn't come off right away, just wiggle the bulb a little bit and it'll come right out. Now the replacement bulb type is 921. Alright, 921. I'm going to put the link in the description as well. Now get the new bulb, push the bulb in the bulb holder, and you see that notch on the bulb holder there, the little bit bigger one. Align it with the slot in the light, the bigger slot in the light there. Now push it in, see how it's setting flush. Make sure it's setting flush like that, and then simply twist it right like 1/8 of a turn, and done. Now let's just put the cover back on. We're gonna put that back side in first. Just slide that in. Now simply push, push, push. Done. Clip. And that is pretty much it. See how easy that was?